Tag, is that your new magnetic toy? What do you have, buddy? Here, let me help you. Can you push that button there? Don't get up here. Push that button there. Are you dancing? That's so great, isn't it? Get back up there. Check that out. Check that out. What's going on? Oh, it's magic. It's very hard to make those stick. Can you make it stick?
Orange horse. Wow, you made a match. Look what you found. You made a match.
Yay! That music's great, isn't it? We needed some music in our kitchen. Get you standing up like a big boy. Oh, those are tricky though. Oh, can you get it? There you go. Why is that thing sticky sometimes and not others? Does it taste like pork? You're not supposed to eat pork here. Oh, they're everywhere. Look up here. Get up there and push this one. Get up there and push that one. Can you push that one? This one. This one. Dance for me. Cute. Good. Good. Oh, kid. You're so cute. You're so cute. Oh, oh, bonk. Bonk. He bonked his head. He bonked his head. Oh! That's not ideally what we're supposed to be doing with them. Uh-oh. Bailey's checking them out. That's okay, you've got more. You're a smart boy, Tag.